The motherboard. The motherboard is a printed circuit board found in all computers. It allows the processor and other computer hardware to function and communicate with each other. One of the major functions of a typical motherboard is to act as a kind of hub which other computer devices connect to. A typical motherboard consists of a sheet of non-conductive material, such as hard plastic or fiberglass for insulation. Thin layers of copper or aluminum are printed onto this sheet, which form conductive pathways. These form the circuits between the various components. In addition to circuits, a motherboard contains several sockets and slots to connect the other components. It is important to note that mobile phones, tablets, and other computerized devices also have motherboard. Question: can you find and mention 5 components found on a motherboard? Leave your answers in the comment section. Remember to subscribe and follow for more.